So you've got weeds in this area around your trees and your ornamental bushes and plants. And I know you're tempted to use an herbicide, but do not. Handpick these yourself. Get yourself a fork. You don't want to use anything like that because some of these herbicides can't distinguish between a weed or an ornamental plant or a tree. And also when you're spraying that stuff, it can actually get on the bark of your tree and it can really, really damage your tree. So do not use any of that stuff. Just clean out the area. And if you're wondering why I have that trash can there, you don't want your sprinklers to hit directly on your tree and the tops of your plants because that can actually create disease. So I repositioned that, put down some mulch. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this area yet. I'm still thinking about it, but check back with me and I'm going to show you how to trim up your blue fescue plants and reshape your vitex tree or any tree for that matter. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.